Just got here and I think I'm losing signal already. Hello? Can you hear me now?
What's up? What's up, YouTube? Hello, everyone. I'm going
Sorry.
live, I believe, and today we are going to get back to our web scraping. Now, let me get to the Zoom call with one of my friends who are going to be joining us for today. If you have any questions, you can put them in the chat. But first of all, I also like to listen. Excellent connection that we are having right now. That's great.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
It's so typical of me
Hello,
to
hello.
talk
Wait for a
about
minute.
myself.
Yes,
I'm
stop the music.
sorry. I hope
Do you
that
know
you're
which link we're
well.
using right now?
Did you?
Do you realize?
Yes, I just realized which link we're using.
Yeah, I did mention this to Ben.
Well, did he say anything?
So he was like, um, he was saying that you do realize that you're asking me for my Zoom account. And then he was like, I don't know, man. If it works, then doing work, go for it. And
Oh
then
my.
but then yeah, we should just be careful not to like destroy his Zoom account when we're using it every day.
Yeah, but the other problem is that if he is using Zoom, then we cannot be using the
Oh yeah,
same
yeah,
thing.
that's the only other problem. The only other problem that is if he's actually using Zoom, then we shouldn't use it.
Yeah, but he's probably asleep right now. But so yeah.
Is he using it right now? I don't know.
I said he's probably sleeping because right now it's
Oh, that works.
like
That works. Yeah,
at
that
night
works.
at night.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. What? Yeah. He's
Yeah, yeah.
sleeping, and then he sleeps when we use Zoom. Why not? Oh shit.
Anyways, good. We are streaming and we are using an infinite Zoom link.
Yeah, man. Oh, and I was um asking what happened during the mastermind yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, there are some politics to the mastermind. You know how Donnie is always not showing up, and then Brett is sometimes always busy, and then Ben just doesn't like the format we are doing with the mastermind. He doesn't like how people aren't
Committed
being
enough.
punctual and being following the structure of how the mastermind can be to provide maximum value to each other.
Mm.
And he was like, the commitment levels of the mastermind are very low, so he just bailed.
Oh.
He probably will join some other time, and he was having another mastermind during the same time slot when we were having mastermind. So he prioritized that mastermind over us because we were still not committing that well, and we weren't still following the structure that well. Yeah, so that's basically what happened.
Oh, I see. All right.
Okay. Yeah, and you should also tell me when you think our live streams aren't as productive as it can be. So yeah. I'll give the websites that we are that I was told to scrape during the my interview.
Hello, are you still there? Tony has probably lost connection. And yes, as I was saying, that this is going to be a web scraping project that we are going to go through.
Make it out of that town where nothing ever happened. It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that.
What's up? Welcome back.
Welcome back. My computer just overheated and just blew off.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Send me the websites. I can have a look.
Yeah, I'm getting everything back up. Sorry about that. Oh God.
What type of website was it?
Oh, most of them are JavaScript dynamic websites.
Oh.
So we'll be using Selenium for the most of the thing.
Oh, did they say like use Selenium?
They did not say to use Selenium, but they did not know that I needed to use selenium.
Oh, you didn't even know. Okay. We'll try
Yep.
we'll try a shot with beautiful soup. Then if it doesn't work, then we'll use selenium.
Yep. Here's the first website. And then here's the next website. There's lots we could go through though. I don't think she even knows how much stuff needs to be gone through just to get the data scraped. Let's see. Close that, close that, close that, close that, close that, close.
But then how do you find the record Texas? Oh.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, you have Skype, right?
Yeah.
I send something on Skype. See if you received it.
My Skype.
Yeah, your Skype. Yes. That should be the most of it.
Okay. I'm going through the one that you said, and then I just want to see where can I find that big data so I can.
Yeah. Broward County Property Appraiser. Okay. Did you get 4 websites or did you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3? We could just start one at a time.
Yeah, I just
No
want
need to
one
be
at a time.
wrong.
Yeah.
So I guess the first one we could try to work at is the Broward real estate, Broward.country taxes public reports real estate.
This one. Okay. But then I'm looking through the data. What type of data should I be taking? Current role, districts.
So the interviewer wanted me to go into public. I'm sharing I should be sharing my screen, so I shouldn't be. Yeah, public unpaid tax certificates. So the thing is, I have to actually enter the public unpaid tax certificates under reports, and then click on view selected reports. It would take forever to even load.
Public unpaid tax certificate. Oh. And then it's going to take some time to load, and then after that.
Just tell me if you're not seeing what I'm seeing, because I always forget.
Okay. Let me go back to my one and then try look for. What do you do after that? Do you use click on select?
you click on the search button again.
View
So
selected report or run selected report?
after I clicked into public unpaid tax certificates, I clicked on view selected reports. And then after something pops up in the report public unpaid tax certificates, I click on the search button.
Or the search button
And then
on
it'll
the right
take
side?
a while. Man, it's taking forever. Yeah, the hardest part about scraping this website is that it takes forever to load, and just Selenium can't access the website accordingly to the timing of which when it will load or not load.
Oh, okay.
And then it would say the tables, the response tables is definite non-type, and then I'm stuck there. She doesn't even know all this thing, and then she wants me to do it within an hour. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Anyways,
even for me, it's like taking forever. Okay, now I start saying something.
do you see the tables, like the
Yeah,
table list?
yeah, there are
all the
tables.
stuff. Yeah.
But then my tables, they look kind of same like yours. Now what do I do?
Oh, you click on the search button.
Oh, after I see these tables?
Yeah, if you see one row of tables, you click on the search button. If you see lots of tables, you're there.
But then, am I supposed to like type something into account number? Use
No,
code?
not really. Not really, no. We have to scrape everything, which is really taking forever. Please, if I'm being too negative and I'm sort of always making excuses, just remind me and take control, because ever since this little interview, I've been sort of wavering a bit.
Oh,
So
about the finding this data, or
about whether I'm heading in the right path or not.
okay.
So whenever we stream, if I'm always talking about and making excuses, please remind me to stop and remind and take control of the stream, and make the stream productive.
Okay. I want to see the other website you sent.
This is taking forever. Takes forever. Anyhow, let's see the next one.
But that means later on, because this one, since it's taking time to load, we either have to put like a really long delay time
Yeah.
for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I was like, I put 100 seconds and it was still not working. Oh, damn it. Maybe we shouldn't even use Selenium for this website, because this website is so lagged.
Yeah. Is the data really big though?
The data shouldn't be too big.
How about the other one? It's called Nerd Online. What is that for?
I didn't look at that one yet. I was,
Because I found
let's
it.
see,
I find it
probably-
much easier.
Oh, the other ones?
Yeah, it's like the
You mean the naturalonline.com one?
yeah that one.
Actually, I don't remember which data we're supposed to scrape in this one. It's probably environmental data, if not public records. Oh, we could try to scrape into property data store.
Property, okay, property data store.
There doesn't seem to be any data here.
Oh, this one you need to log in.
Oh my word. Ah. Oh my, it's still loading.
For me, I clicked on public record, and then now I will select, let's say, a state.
Texas. Public records. Well, here's something. Oh yeah, it's the publicrecords.netaronline.com Broward. And if it's just this, I think we could just scrape it. If it's like the Broward County Public Records, we could just scrape all the stuff here.
Yeah.
Directly. No need to use Selenium.
Yeah, this one we can use this. I think this is much more fun. Then we can choose one state, like you can choose California or any state that you choose.
Oh, because I was just reading the instructions. She was like, next step is to go to the Broward County Property official site. But then she didn't say what to get, so I was thinking maybe just scrape everything.
Yeah.
Just copy the link, go back to my own script, and then just scrape.
Yeah, and then what I'm thinking right now, because when you just do one city, the data isn't that big. So we do one state. So we make our app is able to take all the cities in one state. It's like for me, I click on California, and then I get all the names of all the cities in California. Then we can make our app go one by one city, and then scrape the data from there, and then go back. Something like that.
Oh, I'm just activating my virtual environments and then getting my scripts up. What was I thinking? Let's see.
All right, let me also get my script ready. I have my web scraping. For me, I'm just going to start from the beginning. I'm going to import
scripts. Okay. Now I just need to get my files. Tutorial.
Wait, I need to save from PS4.
This is one of them. Web scraping. This is the other one.
Import episode.
Cut and paste, and then learning scraping JSON gestures from the one that I use. Is probably gonna use this one. Let's. Scrape data. This. Scraping.p1 scrape data. I'm just gonna make a new file. Change it. I'll change the file name to fucking bitch interview.
So are you done? Oh, is your file already like you have a pre-configured file?
No, because I used the CMD and I did Python -m vim and then named it. So I'm not using conda. I'm using the command prompt.
What? Are you using Python? Does Python have a .click function?
.click function.
Realestate.py. You already have it there. Public record.click.
Oh, I'm just making another copy and then making another one.
Is that your code or somebody else?
So this is static scrape.
No, I mean just now I saw one.
Oh, this one was the one when I was trying to access the first website. So I could give you an example of what it's supposed to do.
Is it using Selenium?
Yes, it does use Selenium.
Oh, okay.
CD into and then Python realestate.py. Oh, no module name PS4 pip install PS4. This is a beautiful soup.
You need to type beautiful soup for. Beautiful soup for.
What?
Pip is now recognized.
Let's see. Was it? How do I get pip again?
You can type conda.
Conda install pip. Yeah, I'll use the Anaconda prompt to do it quickly. Deactivate Conda env list. Yo, it's not here. This is annoying.
Do you have ready what do you call that virtual environment for the web scraping? We can just start it.
Yes, I do.
Okay,
Yes,
then let's just get started directly for the one that we have.
But then it doesn't have pip and it doesn't have beautiful soup yet.
Huh? What happened to your laptop? Did you like delete everything?
No, I didn't. I just learned the Python -m vim activation of a virtual environment. But then I could do it in the Anaconda prompt. It's just I wanted to learn something, so I just I could go straight here. And then CD into. Wait, how come it's not? What's called the file name? Okay. And then I'll just activate web and then Python. What's the file name? Real estate, okay. Are you seeing my screen?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I'm still messing about with multiple ways to make a good terminal. Oh, Chrome driver, of course. I need to change the files. The Chrome driver execute. I'm just gonna cut this into here and then run it again. Should I close the command prompt or just run it? Yep, there we go.
Is it the previous one, the same one we were using?
Oh, this one's the one that loads
Yeah,
freaking
yeah.
long.
Okay, so it goes to the website and then it opens then it enters the search result.
It's still loading. Oh my god. How to install pip into Windows. Yeah.
Do you have wasn't it working for you before? Like pip?
Oh, it worked in the Anaconda prompt, not in the Windows CMD.
Oh, it wasn't working in the CMD. You have Anaconda installed.
Yeah.
Okay, can you?
Yeah. So yeah, this is the data.
It took forever.
It takes forever.
Yeah, and how about you can add Anaconda to your path variable, so you can use Anaconda. I mean, Conda.
Actually, I can use Anaconda right now.
Hmm?
There's nothing wrong with Anaconda. It's just that I wanted to learn how to use the CMD prompts using Python-M and Jupyter Notebooks and Docker instead of the Anaconda prompts. So I was just trying. I was just pushing my luck and trying. Yeah. So by the time it actually runs, the soup equals beautiful soup response LXML, it's already timed out, and the init.py is a none type, so there was nothing there. So that's the main problem.
Oh, okay.
And my script for that is like I assigned URL2 as this, and then input address, Chrome driver, open, get, and then find element by ID, address box and keys. Clicked on it twice, time.sleep. I did time.sleep for 60 seconds. Should I try 100 or 2 minutes or something? 120 seconds.
Yeah. About that, I was just looking to know what the click function was doing. I thought this is just beautiful soup, but for now, let's just continue with the other website. Do you want to work with?
Okay, the other website.
The nerd.
Yeah, this one.
Yep.
Let's just quickly scrape this one and get it over with.
Well, it's not about that, Ali. I was saying, can I share my screen? Have you already done that before?
Oh, I didn't. I was just stuck on the first one. I was just playing around and stuck on the first one.
Okay, what I was thinking is that we can start scraping. That's like, can you see when we click on the state and then we get to like CA, which is like California, and then we get all the cities in California, right?
Yeah.
So I want the script to go in each city in the state. Like we'll go to this one and then scrape all of this data.
Yep.
And then we'll go back and then get to this one, and then scrape data from here. And then once it's done, it will directly go back, and then and so on.
Yeah, this is static scraping, right? We don't need to use Selenium for this. We just need to...
Yeah, it depends on the website later on. We don't know if this data right here is
It shouldn't be dynamic. It doesn't look dynamic.
If it's dynamic or not, I'm not sure. It could be. could not. I'm not. We'll try first, and then if it needs selenium, then we will use it, or we can use PyQt.
Let's see.
Okay, for now, we just do the conventional web scraping starting point, which is this. From
Let's
DS4,
just
import
stick
beautiful
with
soup.
the one that we were. Let's just stick with the Broward County Public Records of Florida. Like I'll send you the link of what I mean. Like we can just a simple example and see if that we run into any problems first.
Okay.
It's the same one really. And then we probably need. Let's just.
Okay, we'll start with this. I'll copy.
Yeah. Do we need to go to the online data? Oh God. I don't know what it's supposed to do.
Now I will get my terminal.
Inspect. So let's see. Let's just scrape from the first TD style of vertical align top. There's a TD body and a TR, and then TD style vertical align, and that should be it. So page request dot get equals the website soup equals beautiful soup page dot content HTML parser, and then we find all the TR tag. Week.
The TR tags.
TR tags, and then we can say, what was the website called? Maybe county equals soup dot find style.
Oh, okay. We first look for the table and then. Okay.
Oh shoot. Do we do search by style, like find all by style?
You can.
Find all by style. Style equals vertical top. So is it something like this maybe? I'm just gonna share my screen for a bit. Would this work? And then we print county.
What's that?
What do you think?
Oh no. You can do that. Not by style. Beautiful soup is different than selenium. Just do the find all and then open the parentheses and then put style between two. Wait. You can first of all, what element is it? HTML element.
It's a TR element.
TR element. Okay, wait. Let me get to that level first. Have you done the? Okay, I want to first of all find if we can actually get the soup. So I want to do Python print the soup.
Let's try it. Classic spray.
Okay, it looks like we're getting something then.
Save.
You got it right. Okay, now let's go to the website and then see where we can actually put that.
Here. I just defined county equals soup dot find all of style vertical align.
Okay, okay, what I would say is I would say table is equal to soup dot find, then I would put under parentheses, then between two quotation marks I will put in table, and then comma, then I will put style equal to, then I'll take whatever the style was in the website. So I will take table and then I'll copy it.
So you mean like this?
No, table is in a different, in a separate quotation. No, style is not in quotation. Style is just style equal to, then quotation whatever the style is. Yeah. Then you have an extra quotation mark there. Just do it.
I was trying running it.
You got it?
We got everything.
What do you mean?
Wait, maybe, yeah, I forgot to. Maybe this. It got none back. Is it? Yeah.
It's vertical align is actually table. Go back to where you got your own data. Where did you get that vertical align?
Here. It's like I was trying to access this entire tab.
Oh, okay. For me, I'm only taking the table where it says name, phone, online, and report. That table.
So I should go into the div
No.
Ooh, here we are. Here we are. Table.
Yes, this table.
Table style. Style width, margin, center.
Then after I do that, I think I'm going to do a find all. Did you get?
Wait a moment. Let's try to run it now. Ooh, I got all the TR tags.
Okay, good. Now I will do table row.
Maybe need to change it into a CSV file. So maybe
Yeah, that's
just
later on after we script each.
find all print 0. oh. We can then assign. No, we don't. We don't need to assign anything. We just need to print the get text of. Yeah. We just need to get text.
So
So print county dot get text. And yep, I'll try that.
sorry, what are you doing?
Oh, I was just getting the text. Do you see my screen?
Oh,
So
each one inside.
Yeah.
You do
So
the text on what?
Oh, from the tables that we got, like the TR and TD tags that we got, and I just changed it to a text, like dot get text, and then I need to change it to CSV, which I can do by.
Oh, you got the text from the entire thing.
Yeah, we need the entire thing.
Yeah, but then for me, if you just put the data like that, you can't put it directly into structured columns.
We could use the PD pandas and then structure it.
Yeah, but then in order for you to do that, you need to like pass it like name, and then you pass all the name in a list, and then phone, all the phone numbers in a list, and then online, all the online things in a list. When you say online, and when you say online, you don't want the text, you want the URL. There is a URL behind there that we're looking for, and then the report.
So how would you approach this?
All right. Okay. For now, after I got the table, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, after we did this, now I'm taking the table row. So like each row in the table, and then I'm taking the TR. The TR is this TR here, table row. And yeah, once I do that, then I'm going to look through each one of this. So when I get this table row, when I'm using find all, I'm getting a list. So I'm going to loop through the table row list. So I'm going to say for row in table row. Then I will do row dot find. Is it find all? This will give me another list. Or after I got this, now I just need to take each one of these one by one. So like this one. So like I'm going to say TD, which is here. Also, I have to take it by style. Then TD, then TD, TD. Or what I can do also, I can take it by. You can take each one of these as a list, and then I'll do dot find all TD again, and then I will do another listed loop to take each data from this one. Want to try that? Let's do it. Dot find all. Then I'll open this. Then inside of here, I'll say TD. Once I do that, for row and find all. Then I will do for item in the row, because row is another list that we just got. And inside of here, I will say, okay, then I will get here, I will say name. I'll say name is equals to, because since name is going to be the first element, the first TD in the list, so it's going to be row first item in the list, like that. Dot
Row
text. Then after that, I have phone is equal to row, and I will increment that by 1. Dot text. What else? So line is going to be row dot. This time it's not going to be. Okay, first of all, it's going to be row, and then I will increment that by 2 here. But in this here, I'm going to say href, so I can get the link. And after that, I will go to report. Which is going to be row. And 3. Is this an actual link? What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, so it's like if you need to fix something, then you can click on this. But anyways, so after that we just do a report, and we just get text. And after that, we are actually done. So once I do that, I will just I will print those out. So I'll just print something like this, and I'll say just nice way to print it out. So I'll just say name, then separate them, phone and online. This is going to be give me a link, and then what else? Let's hope that this actually works. And let's run it. I like working with for loops. Okay, something's wrong. Where did we get wrong? Name.txt. File blah blah blah, return keys. before that, can I print the row? Print, just to make sure that I'm getting the right data. Okay, my row for row in table. So then I would say row.find all td. Then I'll say print the row. Oh, wait a minute. I can't do that. I need to sign it into a variable. So I have to say items is equal to row.find all. Then I would say for item in items. For item in items. But then I cannot also say row here. So I have to say item 0. Let's see if that actually works. So for each row in the table, now I need to, this is item. Then I'll do row.find all td. Then I'll print, instead of printing the row, just print the item. Items list. Let's see if that works. Now I have my TD. Okay, now after I did this, I have my items list. This is the items list. Are you following along? Like
Yeah, following along. It's just,
is it confusing?
I'm getting the key error 0.
Which one here?
Yeah, the key. No. I'm getting a key error 0.
Wait, I don't think we actually even need to make another loop, because I can just say name. Because since I made this into a variable, set items is equal to row.find all, so I can say name is equal to items. Then inside of here, I can say 0. Just me print name. Let's see if we get something good. Then we will remove the previous. All right. Oh, as you can see here, name. Oh, we got name as the first item.
Yeah, I got those. But then we still have the
What?
Key error 0 from line 21. Name equals item. Yeah, we were still having an error.
Which one? From line? Is that key error
Line
0? This one?
Yeah.
line 21. Oh, because this one here we're going to change all of this.
I'm just gonna get rid of it then.
Not really get rid of it. What I would say, I would take rid of the for loop because we don't need that. And I will do something along these lines here. I'll remove this to this side. So then,
How did you backspace all the things at once?
you click control. After you select them, and then you click control, and then you press on the opening bracket. I mean this one. This
Opening brackets.
This one. Can you see on my screen here? This one.
Oh, okay.
Control and then this one. Does it work?
Yep, it worked. Thank you.
Yeah, I see people doing that. I was like, what? How the hell? If you want to comment lines together like this.
Oh yeah.
You know that?
Like control backslash.
Yeah,
I know
control
that. Just learned that one recently.
Yeah. But then some people actually do this and then they just come. I don't know. Some people just have a crazy shortcuts. Yeah. So let's continue with this after we're done with that. Since we actually named these items, so just change everything here from row to item. Items, sorry. This one should be items. Then I can what the hell?
Let's see. We don't need the row dot find all TD. Oh, we do have.
Yeah, we need that because the items is where you're getting that from.
I'll try to run the command line. Href.
Even I got the href. Here's an actual A-link. Is it an actual anchor?
Did you get it?
I think yeah. But
yeah.
Oh, table row. I don't want this.
Well.
So, how about you? Did you get the data?
I still have the TD tags on, so.
Did you made the .txt?
Yep, I have a .txt. I have the row in table, row items, find all td, print items, print name. Oh, should I share my screen?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I got it. This is the format. This is the correct format then?
Wait, give me a second. Let me have a look. Yeah.
Okay. Now we just need to turn it into CSV file and then let's see. So we could just
We could make a dictionary and then make
yes.
a name list and then append everything to that.
So maybe say let's just call it stuff. Equals, should we use pandas dot data frame?
Oh no, I mean first it's just a normal dictionary. That's how I approach it. And then after that I will append stuff to the dictionary. After that you change the dictionary into a data table, panda. Then you can send it to a CSV file. And the way I go about that is here. Data is equal to just a dictionary. Start of here, I have name. And then it's a list. And I have, what else I have? Phone?
Phone, yeah, phone. Phone and then online and then report. I'm streaming on Twitter right now.
Really?
Yeah.
How?
Using Periscope.
Oh, it's a different platform?
No, it's the same as it's Periscope on my phone, but I'm using Restream onto Periscope. Data equals that dictionary, and then we could go ahead and should we try printing it first?
Oh, let's append some data to it. Then we can print it.
We have a dictionary. Don't we just append?
Yeah, we append data for sure. So just do data.
So we just use the same for loop, and then we just add dot append everything.
Okay. Now I'll save that, and what else I will do is I will stop printing these guys, and I will print the data. How do I
It's
make?
in a dictionary.
Yeah.
Are you good with using PyCharm? I still have no idea how I use PyCharm. I have to configure all the settings and everything.
No, I'm not. PyCharm because I have PyCharm, but then it's so hard to use. That's why I'm using just Visual Studio for now.
Oh, you're using Visual Studio.
Yeah.
Cool. This is Visual Studio? Oh, right. I thought you were using PyCharm.
No. But I will get into PyCharm later because you can actually buy it, but all the features is only in the professional one.
Oh, I see.
You don't get the features of PyCharm right out of the box. You need to buy. I think it's about 200 USD per year.
Should we all go ahead and do data dot to CSV and then the being data dot CSV?
We need to import pandas first.
Import CSV?
No, pandas.
Right, and import pandas as PD. Do we have to change it to a panda data frame then?
Yeah, then we'll just do
So it's just the data. I mean, no. So like, then like data frame equals PD dot. What's the syntax for it? Let's see. And then do we need to import CSV into this?
Nope.
Okay. Let's see if I get a CSV file. Yep, I got a CSV file. Yeah, we're done for this one then. It's more complicated than I thought.
What?
Like web scraping static data and organizing it well.
It's not complicated as you thought.
No, it's more complicated than I
Oh,
thought.
it's more complicated. Actually, yeah. And what's more complicated is now, can you see this? Like we have name, phone, because
I didn't get that one.
open your CSV file and then you find it.
Yeah, I have it in my CSV, but not as like organized as yours. Are you sure you're still 21?
Why?
No, because I saw on your Facebook it says you're born in 1997.
No, it's just at the time, you start Facebook, you don't want people to think you're too young to be on Facebook. That's why.
Wait, so you are 21. You're born 1998 then.
Yeah, 1998. Like any other date, I just lie. It's like just like that, just to make myself a little bit
Oh.
older so that people won't take me as a child or someone who's really young.
No, you're fine with that because you don't look. Yeah.
No, I mean right now, but back then I was looking a little bit.
No, because you look old.
Yeah,
You look older than me.
maybe, yeah. But then,
Yeah.
uh,
Anyways, I have a meetup at 7:30. I have to get going. Nice web scraping. This was more complicated than I thought.
oh, you that means maybe you need to study this more. Like especially this part is the most important where you want to get your
The
data
actual
organized.
for loop part, because
Yeah, yeah,
indexing finally
yeah.
the creating the data table and then the creating the pandas table wasn't that complicated, but the for loop part, indexing it into it, looping through all the TD tags and as an index into a dictionary, that part.
Yeah.
No, but then I was probably going to approach it by getting the text and then putting everything into a dictionary and then just organizing it there. That seems a bit simpler to me.
But for me, I don't get how are you going to like organize it into the CSV file, because later on the text that you're getting, it's like when you get all of these three together, you're getting all of these three as one string, and you need to parse it.
Oh, so like use the rejects.
Yeah, regex or something, because maybe because when you get these, you're going to get it like you're going to get the different as new line /n, then you can, and it's really hard to oh yeah, rejects can do /n, you can, but not split function.
I see.
Yeah, that's another way.
I
You can try that other time.
Yeah, I need to study more.
Okay, then have a good meetup today.
Oh yeah, I have a meetup now, so I'll be back around 11 and then I'll start streaming again. So bye for now.
Okay. Basically, that was it for today's stream. I just want to fix this part here where it says name, phone, and online or report. And what I will do is I'll say table row underscore row is equal to table underscore row, and then I'll start from the first item and then continue on, so that I don't get these parts, because this is the items number 0 index in table row. So if I exclude that, then I start from the first item towards the end. You know what I'm going to get. If I bring that out, Voila! I can see 0, 1, and 2. And then name, phone, and all lines, all the other stuff. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching if you were watching, and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not.